Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Jerry with the Relaxed Garden, and I did something I probably shouldn't have done, but I did it. So anyway, let me tell you, I went to Walmart today, and I had to go pick up some things, right? So of course, what do you have to do? You have to walk through the garden center. Well, maybe you don't have to. I have to walk through the garden center, and everything was marked down. I mean, everything was marked down. They had quite a sale going on. The guy that worked there said they started last week, and he said people had 2 and 3 carts full of plants, and I believe it. I didn't get 3 carts. I bought 1 cart full of plants. Yeah, they had, it's the end of season. So I'm not going to plant any of these just yet. I'm going to keep them alive until it's time to plant again, probably in like October, once it cools down, October, November. We do not freeze. We'll get cold in December. We'll be cold in January, not terribly cold. If we have any freezing weather, it will be in February. And then by March 1st, it's spring. So we have some cold days, but as far as winter, like freezing winter, if we get any ice or precipitation, or snow, it's usually in mid-February. But by March 1st, we're good to go, and the gardening season's, spring starts. So let me first show you what I got. I purchased. They've been sitting in water, so there's a lot of water dripping from them. Check this out. It's a Dwarf Heavenly Bamboo Nandina. Look at that. I love Nandina. They grow really well for me here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. And check this out. They were originally $22.88, and look at that price. It was marked down to $15. Then it was marked down to $5. How can you say no? I mean, I could not walk away from that. $5 plants marked down from $22. I bought 1, 2. I bought 5 of them. So I have 5 of these. So I paid $25 for something that would have been well over $100. So I purchased 5 of these Dwarf Heavenly Bamboo Nandina. So this is, it's a dwarf of the variety. It, brilliant red it turns red in the fall, which is great on bamboo-like stems, which is awesome about, Nandina. That's why it's called Heavenly Bamboo. This one grows about 2 to 3 feet tall and 2 to 3 feet wide. So max, they don't have an off switch. They're not going to stop growing, but you can expect them to be about 3 feet tall, 3 feet wide. And I've got 5 of them. Look at that. That looks so good. It looked so bad. It was so dry. But yeah, Dwarf Heavenly Bamboo. Full sun to part shade, which is perfect. Look at that again. That is absolutely amazing. So that's the first one. I only bought 2 different types of plants, but I bought multiples of them. So this was the Heavenly Bamboo Nandina. The next one, I couldn't believe. Anyway, again, it's dripping, splashing all over me because it's sitting in water because they were so dry. But anyway, here's this one. The next one is, check this out. It is an Encore Azalea. Isn't that amazing? Encore Azalea. This is, I don't want to turn it around because you're going to be shocked when you see how much I paid for it. Encore Azalea. This is Autumn Moonlight. It is 5 feet high, 4 feet wide. That is absolutely amazing. Light sun to full sun. Allow 4 to 6 hours of direct sun for best blooming. It will get that. Well-drained soil. Intermediate, 5 feet high, 4 feet wide, pure white semi-double blooms with dusted yellow throats. The blooms themselves are 2.5 inches across. This is Autumn Moonlight Rhododendron Mutum with blooms in spring, summer, and fall. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. The world's best-selling reblooming azalea. So this is a reblooming azalea. So the original price was $17.88, and the sale price was, check that out. Get out of the way so you can see it. $10. Not quite the savings of the other one, but a $10 Encore Azalea, that's not bad. I bought 4 of them. So that's that. Yeah, pretty cool, I think. Encore Azaleas, I bought 4 for $10, and the Dwarf Nandina, what was that? The Dwarf Heavenly Bamboo Nandina for $5. Check that out. Look at that. Pretty cool. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. That was not something I was planning on doing. I was pretty much done for the season. But, you know, when you see something like that, you just can't. Oh, sorry. I thought I heard something. I thought I heard somebody behind me. That was odd. Anyway, you cannot pass up deals like that. When you see a deal like that, you have to take them. It's unfortunate that I didn't know this was going on last week. But whatever. It is what it is. These are great finds. Stick around. I'm going to change some things up in the front garden. I will. And in future videos, I will show you what I'm going to change. I'm going to change the shape of the flower beds. I'm going to make one of them a little deeper. And that actually plays into this. It'll give me room to plant some of these taller shrubs now. Anyway, thank you so much. Let me know which was your favorite. Did you like the white moonlight reblooming Encore Azalea, or the Dwarf Heavenly Bamboo Nandina? I like both of them. I don't think I have a favorite. I like both of them. So anyway, let me know where you're viewing from. Give me a like, subscribe, send this video to somebody that you know who is interested in gardening. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. Talk to you later. Bye.